This inside the form we have h1 tag, this is label, and this is input tag, this is label and input, and again this is submit button input type, and this is our OR and register link. So if we hover here, then it will be green, which I like the most. So let's go to the coding. Dot login box. We need a login box, and inside this login box I will be proposing to open the form tag, form form tag. So init, now we will get form tag. Okay, if we need in future that to send this form in our server, then we will use this action tag and method tag, what we say, this attribute. But now we are just going to make a form login box, and inside the login box we have the form. Inside the form we will add the h1 tag, which we called login, and bottom of the login we need a label tag, label tag, and label tag will be for, I am giving here name, phone number, phone and number, MBR number. And bottom of this we will also be going to add input tag. So input tag, don't you think this is amazing? Input tag. So by using input tag we can take a number, number number. So we will add here required, so this will be required. It means it is compulsory to add this number. And label, and inside the label we will be going to add password. So password, password. And bottom of this we will add input. So inside the input we will add here text. Okay, and this will be not text, we need a password. Why I'm so forgetting? Password, password, and this will be required. So now after taking the phone number, password, and we have to make the submit button. Now you can see here is our login, phone number, password, and we need a login button. So I'm adding here submit tag. So submit, submit tag. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Input type input type will be submit. Now we can see there will be button name submit, but we need to give this name login. So for that I am changing here name value. Inside this we have attribute value, value, and inside this value we will be giving here login. So now we can see the result that we want. Now we have to also add paragraph tag for OR option, ORR, and here we will add here link tag. Link tag will be, now we are not adding here href any links, so here will be register. Sorry what I have done, I can't say this is me. Oh my god, again another added. Oh no, oh my god, again I have added more. No, now we get, now the structure that we make is complete. Now we have to went towards the CSS. I love CSS make everything change. Now we have to add here star, and we don't need margin, initial margin 0, and initial padding should be 0. I am selecting all the elements so that the initial margin and padding will be the 0. And also we need to do box sizing, border box, so border box. Now we can go and add here. What can we add is we have to select dot login box, log in box. So login box, vox box, and another is what we need to select is after this we need a form. So we are also selecting the form. I have selected the form, and what we need is we have to also select this input type. So I'm giving the class name input. So design will be same for both input, so I'm giving the same class name will be input, and I'm selecting here by dot input. Now we have selected all the required field, and also we need to give this button. So this is submit button. We don't need to give this submit button or this class. We have to give where is our password. So here is our password, control B, and we have to give here class name submit, submit, submit. So I am also selecting the dot submit. Now I have selected the submit also. Now due to this universal property margin 0 and padding 0, box sizing border box, now you can see there is no margin padding between these elements, so we have to give manually. And first of all I'm also selecting the body because we need background color. We need a background color. So background color will be bg. I have a background color. Here you can see I have a background color purple color. So this purple color will be our background color. Now I'm pasting here. Oh, I have added this small little piece. Now let's see what is our background color. Now we have a good background color, and I also need to select the this is font style. So you can go to the Google, but I'm not going Google because Google font. You can go Google font website to get this type of import option, and this font family is Balsamic Sans, and sorry for the pronounce because I'm not perfect. So we have to add this in top. Now I have imported the font, and I have to use this font sign. So I have to select this one, and what we have to do is copy and paste, and this is the best ability of a hacker not hacker, programmer, that copy and paste. Yes, I like this copy and paste. Now we have changed the font, and we have to also change the color, font color. I don't like black. I am the lover of white, but I don't like white because it becomes too much dirty. Now looking good. Let's give this style to the form. We have to give this height. So HEIGST height will be I am adding here 480 pixel. You can set according to you, and I have given height, and width will be 100 BW. 100 BW. BW means this wide is called BW. So this is 100 from here to here 100. We have given also the width, and we have to also give display flex. Display and flex. Why? Because I want to make that in center. Display flex. Now you can see there is no change, but if I do display flex align items center, then it will be vertically center. Now you can see it is vertically centered. Now we need to center it horizontally. So for that I am adding here justify content center, center center. So now you can see we have the you can't see anything because we have to give the style to this form tag. So I am giving the width will be 80%, so it will be fine. Now you can see it is in center. We have to also give this background to the form. So I am giving this background will be RGBA, red will be 0, blue will be 0, and green will be 0, and opacity will be 0.5, which means black but having opacity 0.5. Now you can see this is an amazing art that we have created. Now we have to also add the height. So I am giving this height will be 400 pixel. Now you can see we have got the result that we want, but I have to also make the lovely part that I love most is border radius, border border radius. Border radius will be 20 pixel. So I am making this. Now you can see this is amazing, and I am also giving the padding. So padding will be 20 pixel. So 20 pixel padding will from everywhere. Now you can see padding will be 20 pixel from everywhere. Now we have to give some style to the input. So let's give some style. So first of all, before giving style to input, I have to give the style to this login, that is h1 tag. I have forget to select h1 tag. This h1 tag will be color will be, and the color of this h1 tag will be purple light green. So I am adding here light green color. Oh, I have cut it. No, I don't need to cut down because I can cut everything in this head. Now we can see the light green color of the login button. Now I can make this align item, align text. Sorry, text align. It's a text align. I forgot. Text align center. Now it will be center. Now you can see it is centered. What can I do is I can select this one input. So I have to select that input. I have already selected, and I am giving border none. Border will be none, but background color will be also none, and any none, and now you can see no, but we have to show some underline, so that so we have to give underline that border bottom be a border from bottom, bottom will be 1 pixel solid white. Now you can see the white, it's good, but we have to also give the margin from the bottom. So I am giving margin from the bottom. So m from bottom will be 20 pixel. Now let's see what is our result. Now it's looking more good, but I need to give more margin. 40 pixel will be enough. Boom, we get the result that we want. What can I do is I have to also give margin from this h1 tag, so that margin bottom, MARBOTT margin bottom will be 40 pixel. Now it is looking good. I can make this form display flex, but flex direction will be column, so that it will remain constant. I will show you. The form will be display flex. Now everything will be in column, so here you can't see anything. What is going on? Now I have to remove this. So for that I have to make flex direction, flex direction direction will be column. Now we will get the initial style. Now you can see perfect. We need this one, so I have to also increase the height of the input. So I am increasing the height of input. HEI height will be 50 pixel. Will be 50 pixel enough or not? Let's see. Oh no, this is too much big. I have to decrease the height of input, so it will be 30 pixel. Oh, looking good, but you can see here I can see this yellow outline. I don't like this outline, so I am removing this outline by using dot input. Will be when it will be focus. What we need to do is we need to make outline outline none. Now we can see the magic. Boom. Yes, we got this. Now perfect, everything is looking perfect, and we need to style this login button. So I'm selecting this submit button. So it will be height will be how much pixel? 40 pixel, and border will be radius. So from corner sorry, radius, I forgot, my mind becomes mad. Border radius 20 pixel, not or 20 pixel, we are giving less. Now you can see 5 pixel border radius. We have to give the width will be 50%, not more than that. Let's see how much we get. Now it is looking good. We have to also give the background color. Background will be, I have this light dark green. Copy and paste. This is the best ability that I have. Copy and paste. Control V. Sorry, I have to give here color. COLOR, color. Not a color. I have to give this in background. It's looking bad. Not now. Background will be, I think I am selecting this gray light color for the button. It is white but not total white. You can see not at full white, but I don't like the border around the button, BORDER border, so I am giving border none. Now you can see there is no border in button. So I have to also change the font color. So for that I am adding here color will be black. Let's see, black. Now we can see amazing login button in front of us. I can also increase the font size. So FO anti font size will be 20 pixel. I don't know how it will look like, but yes, I have done. It is looking good. But we need to make this in center. For that I am using margin left right auto, margin left auto, margin left auto. From left it will be here. Now from margin right it will be auto, then it will be in center. Margin right auto, then it will be in center. Now you can see this is in center. Now I can increase the width, so width will be 60, not 70 pix 70%. So now looking good. What can I do is I can make it to 90%. Now looking more good. We need this. Now we have to make this margin. We have to give login button margin bottom, so that or will be far from this. Or we can give paragraph tag. Sorry, what I have done. Paragraph margin will be margin. Margin will be from top and bottom. It will be 20-40 pixel, and from left right 0 pixel. I don't need any pixel. Oh, I have given too much. I have to reduce this to 20 pixel. I hope it will be fine. No, it is not looking fine. I have to reduce this more, 10 pixel. Now it will be fine. Now it is looking good. Now I have to make this in center, so for that I am using text align. We have the property text align center. I love this property. And we have the a link tag. We have to also make that center, so text align. Now we can select at the same time, but now I am selecting here text align will be center. Now we can see everything is center, looking good. Now what we can do is we have to hover this hover effect to the submit button. So I am adding dot submit and hover. Now we can add BG. Background color will be what I have already selected, the light dark green. Now control B and let's see what is our result. Ooh, boom, bastic. Now looking more good. Yes, when you hover here we get this result. So this much for this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, tata.